So a lot of you have watched different shows out there. You hear the term royalties, licensing, maybe manufacturing, right? There's a lot of entrepreneurs and innovators that are on the presentation today that you've come up with an idea, whether it's a business or a service, and you're always coming up and innovating and inventing new ideas. So what does all this mean? Licensing to earn royalties. Well, let's say I come up with an invention and I am limited on funds, or I'm very busy and I choose not to really want to go into manufacturing, which I'll speak to you about. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up with this idea. I'm going to go through my searching. I'm going to get a good patentability opinion. I'm going to make a prototype. I'm going to do 3D CAD drawing with an engineer or an industrial designer. And I'm going to get it to a point where I can make a decision of having these options of licensing versus manufacturing. So licensing means that I'm going to give my intellectual property most of the time. That's how it works. Um, to a company that already has manufacturing capability, whether they outsource or they have internal manufacturing, and also they have distribution, whether they use a third party sales rep, an outside sales rep, or they have internal sales reps that will go and distribute, go to the retailers and buyers to get your product in the stores. So licensing means that I'm going to take my product, I'm going to go to a company that already has these capabilities, and I'm going to see if they want to add my product to their product line. And if they say, Brian, this is great, wonderful, let's do it, what they're going to do is they're going to rent the rights to my intellectual property, they'll manufacture it, distribute it, and I'll earn a royalty. Typically, it's from a percentage of the wholesale cost of what they're selling it to the buyer for. And I get paid quarterly, and I get to see sell-through reports of how many of the products are sold in different retail stores and the different variations of my inventions that are sold. And I collect royalty checks. And I've been doing this for over 18 years now. I've been working with a lot of other inventors to do the same thing. And it's just amazing to see your product out there for the reason you came up with it. The other side of it is the manufacturing. So maybe I've tried to license it and I hit a brick wall. They might not see the vision that I see with it potentially being out there as a good marketable, good opportunity, good window of opportunity for whatever category it's in. And that's something interesting because if you're trying to license a product, there's some variables to it. You want to make sure that there's enough of a margin to be able to have the potential licensee. So you would be the licensor as the person, the inventor, and then there's the licensee. So there needs to be enough margin. They need to know that they're going to be able to sell enough of them. And obviously you should be a good partner with them, and you should have done a good amount of the work. Sometimes, I've worked with products that have just been made out of cardboard, and we ended up earning royalties from it, and it was on QVC. Then on the other side, there's the manufacturing. So what does it take to manufacture? And we'll get into that, obviously, of being able to find a factory and manufacturing, and then going through all the logistics of producing the products, accounts payable, account receivable. You really managing a business with manufacturing.